So this is the railway crack detection project. We use a microcontroller called MSP430. Here you can see that MSP430 G2553. That is the microcontroller we use for this project. And this is the GSM modem, and this part is our driver circuit, and we use battery for the power supply. We use 4 volt battery. uh, we we put everything in a parallel, sorry, series, so that it is we can get a 12 volt for GSM modem supply. And 4 volt is given to our driver circuit and MSP430. Internally we have a voltage regulator. um, 1117 is the voltage regulator which we use for this MSP430. And here you can see LED and LED and one LDR, through which a crack in the line in a railway line can be detected using this LDR and LED. And now we can see the working. Now we will see the working of this project. Um, so for that we have to connect this connection. Now you can see the LED glowing. And now the driver circuit and microcontroller powered on. So if there is no crack, that means if there is no crack, you can see our board is running. If there is no crack, then our board will run. And if there is any crack, it will detect, because our LDR will detect that LED, so that it will detect the crack, and it starts sending SMS. So through our GSM modem, it will send SMS. So to connect GSM modem, you have to connect this 12 volt supply. So once if it is connected and our power is switched on, then you can see GSM modem light glowing. So this means that the power is on, and it is searching for the signal. Once everything is fine, so it is if there is any crack detected, then because I put finger like this, so if there is any crack detected, then then it will send the message, and it will stop the vehicle, and again it starts the vehicle, and it moves towards some particular time. Again it will detect whether there is any crack. If there is any crack, again it will send the message, and it will stop the vehicle. So this is the working of this um, project. And here we used in this GSM, here we used microcontroller, sorry, GSM. Here you can see the SIM card. Here you can see the SIM card. So for SIM card, you have to, so this is the SIM card, and you have to put the SIM card in the direction which is specified in this slot, and place the slot in this GSM. and our GSM modem is ready. After connecting this power, it will start working.